Hi everyone, it's me Lynn and welcome back to my channel. And for today's, we're going to watch and react to the foreign film, French film. It is Amelie, directed by Jean-Pierre Jeunet. And I've heard a lot about this. It's more this film is more on magical, whimsical, and heartwarming. So I'm excited and share my thoughts with you. My initial thoughts while watching this film, right away I am noticing the color. So much yellow, green, red. It feels like stepping into a storybook, and the narrator's voice is so quirky, and the way introducing Amelie's little world. The key moments in this film is Amelie's imagination is so vivid. The way the camera shows her daydreaming and feels like we're inside in her mind. Her little act of kindness, like helping people in secret, and are just so it's just so touching, and it's making me smile immensely. That's my reaction to Annalie. Hey everyone, it's me, Lynn, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am reacting to one of the most iconic Japanese film ever made, Rashomon by Akira Kurosawa. This film is often talked about in cinema classes and film discussions because of its unique storytelling. So after watching Rashomon, I understand and I get why it is considered a masterpiece, and it challenges the idea of absolute truth and shows how perspective shapes the reality. About the cinematography, so the director in this film is Kurosawa. The editing made the story even more realistic. It's more powerful, and I think this film isn't just about the crime. It's about us as a humans and how complicated honesty can be. And that's my reaction to Rashomon. And if you've seen it, let me know whose story you believe the most in the action. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.